Hey, Charlie from Industries, back with another video. Today I'm going to do a gut shot of this Tremolo Ibanez sound tank that I looked at the other day. So I've disassembled it already, but I'll just quickly, I've taken the screws out to make this video a bit quicker. So essentially, to take this pedal apart, you just got to pop these knobs off, which are nice, easy, just pop out. There is no nut or anything that's keeping it in place, which is kind of useful. If we then pop the back off, so the back is held on with 4 Phillips screws, as we can see the threads for them here, 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 and here. We've got this black plastic cover that's essentially stopping the solder traces hitting the back of this board and causing a short. There's also a bar that goes across here, so this bar here, essentially grounding the base plate. So essentially it goes from there to there, and the screw connects the circuit board. Well, the bar connects to the circuit board, then that connects to the base plate and basically makes sure everything's grounded. Really pretty board design, 1980s Japanese board design, very, very simple, easy, nice little layout. The only thing that's a bit sad about this, there isn't any kind of cool little Easter eggs like signatures or anything like that, but we can live with that. If you flip it upside down. So the reason I wanted to go through it is actually I had a look at it earlier. Also another quick interesting piece is that these jacks, even though they have a little bit of thread on them, there's no nut. So actually this pedal literally disassembles really nicely, nice and easy. And we've got loads of extra cable on the on like loose, so we can actually get this board to flip over. Literally the only thing that's actually connecting to it is the 9-volt battery compartment and the wires LED, and that's it. So what's really interesting about this board is quite complicated, quite a few bits on there, but a really interesting design in terms of a tremolo. So essentially what happens is the TL072 op amp here, this creates an LFO, so like a wavelength, and that wavelength then is changing the amplitude of this op amp in here. So essentially you're creating that wavelength, so when you change the knobs and stuff, you're changing obviously what that wavelength is, and then that wavelength basically changes the amplitude of the op amp, which is a really nice and simple design. It's not something that's used very much. Most of the time they're optical, and that's why I made that assumption that that's what it was, but apparently it's not. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up. If you want to see more of these videos, please hit a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.